Hello everyone. This is going to basically just show you what I have done regarding my project 1 for my revision. So here I kind of just went through this paragraph and I talked about how different Apple products and things of that sort. This isn't something that I necessarily changed too much. I did fix a few grammatical and spelling errors in this part of my project, but we are going to go into the letters. So as you can see, this is going to be the first letter here, and I'm going to scroll down and show you what I have changed. So I have added the Apple Incorporated address, as well as kind of just reformatting this to fit well and adding my signature at the bottom to make it more professional. And then when we look here at the customer complaint one about the Apple Pencil, you can see that the body of text is more centered, and when I edited this, I also added the address yet again, and I made sure that it was not centered and it is all down here, as well as adding my signature handwritten at the bottom. Something that I also added into here was just a little bit more touching on the inconvenience of that I have been through with the Apple Pencil and things of that sort. And then when we look at this last one for customer support, the wording in this one was really good. I really didn't have much to change about this one other than sectioning it off into separate paragraphs in order to make it easier for the audience to read and things of that sort. And other than that, that is all. And I feel like these small changes that I have made throughout each letter has definitely made the project more presentable, as well as making it a little bit more professional with adding addresses and handwritten signatures.